Okay, so I'm doing a recap for today. It was a pretty good day for me. APOP was the stock that it was in the scanner. Sorry, it wasn't the popping up in the pre-market, but really sold off in the pre-market, and then suddenly just before the market opens, it starts a big move from $4 all the way up to 5.6. I didn't touch it in the pre-market, but both Brian and I took an opening range breakup on it. So at the open, it was really strong. So for the breakup, so we had this high of pre-market. I waited, it popped up. I really wish it doesn't go too fast, too much. It came down. This is important for my trading. It really touched the VWAP and it didn't sell off. So when it went down, I wasn't in there. So I really waited to see if it holds, and it really did hold. So every time that it came down, bought back up, and then I jumped in there a couple of times. We came down and come back up. I added more. It went down, I added more. Eventually, at around 6, my average was something around 665, and then popped up all the way up to 660. And then the last piece, there was a huge drop, and it came back up. And I say, you know what? After this drop, I'm not gonna touch it. So it turned out to be a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup for me, which is my signature trade. But it was also a 5 minute opening range breakup. So if you look at it on a 5 minute chart, it was really a nice 5 minute opening range breakup. I think Brian went back in there, somewhere around here. Did you trade it again, Brian, after this, or you held it through the break of 7?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I just got it and then held it through 7.
Yeah. So for me, that was enough. Really, I really didn't want to mess around with anything else after that. So yeah, it was a really good day, and I just didn't want to touch it. Although there were so many good opportunities. As you see, market was really sold off. This is the SPY, sold off in the pre-market. It was gapping up a little bit before 7 o'clock, and then after that, just huge drop, and just continued to stay the week just before the open. The CC and NEO, for example, was a really nice 1 minute opening range breakup and 5 minute opening range breakup. NEO was really beaten up on a daily chart. I saw that, but because I was trading APOP, I just didn't want it, so trade it. So really nice, and then pulled back, became a really nice 5 minute opening range breakup all the way up to this moving average that we had on a 5 minute chart. Same as Apple, really nice. NEO was really beaten up on a daily chart. Actually, yesterday I did try to take a reversal on it, and I had something in the pre-market, but really didn't touch it today. So that was a very interesting trade, and I think a lot of people took that. So I am just holding into my QQQ and a little bit of ARC, which I'm drowning with the Cathie Woods. This is an ETF of Cathie Wood for all of the emerging companies. TQQ still holding a little bit. I think Qs are finding a bottom here, at least I hope. And let's see if the QQQ is, if it keeps selling off, it might do a panic sell-off back to 300. But if not, it might be slowly creeping up. In terms of trading, I think let's see if anyone wants to share the trade. We had a couple of really good trades in the chat room. Thor had a really nice trade on QS. Anyone wants to share that with the YouTube folks? Anyone? No one. Sajid, oh yeah, you did a really nice. Sajid did a really nice trade on the NEO. That was a really nice entry. So that was a trade that I was actually thinking of taking it. At 36, pop up all the way to 37.40. That's a really nice. That's a 5 minute opening range breakup. Really nice. Megan, what did you do, Megan? That one, same trade, exactly same trade. So see, amazing, same trade on NEO. I'm actually putting this one here.
Yeah, nice.
Same trade. So you see at 36 all the way up to 37.40, and you are completely out of it. So that was a really nice. Brock, what did you do, Brock? What is this one? I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it looks really nice. Good stuff, very good stuff, really nice. On the other tab, Zen, you did PLTR is a mess. What did you do on it? I don't know what exactly happened here. Anyways, so well, thank you so much, guys. Tonight is mentorship session with Thor. I hope everyone come, elite members. Qs are creeping down again. we're gonna have some maybe some sell-off, or maybe just bounces back. I'm gonna hold the ARC and TQQ here to see what's gonna happen with our QQQ and see what's gonna happen. All right, guys, thank you so much, and see you all tomorrow morning in the chat. If not, into Thor's mentorship session, guys.